Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, whatever the case may be. If you've been watching these videos, I've been going about building a Stratocaster, and I had said I was going to do this and going to do that and all that stuff, and I kind of want to make a video on what to do when you mess up. So I kind of did that with this one. I burned through the top. I got too picky with the top because I wanted, there's some things on it that I didn't like, so I took it back, took the not the finish but the filler off of it to be able to go down again and put some fresh stain on it, some dye on it. So anyway, when I did that, I burned through it, the top. What I mean by that is I on one part went too far down. I used way too high a grit on it. I was being impatient and burned through it into the mahogany. I knew it right away when I saw it. I was like, oh man, no. Anyway, I don't even want to show it to you, but I'm not giving up on it. There, in the last couple of guitars I built, I messed up here and there, and there's almost always a way to come back from your mistakes, and that's kind of what I want to share about. If you made a mistake on the guitar you're building, or really anything you're building, there's a way to come back usually, because wood is pretty forgiving. Now I think the finish part of it, the clear coat and all that, that's, in my opinion, the harder part of doing guitars, because there's so many fine scratches and stuff, and things that, frankly, if you get too perfectionistic, it's hard to come back from that. So for me, but I'm learning, and that's the whole thing here. I'm brand new at this. Really, I've only been doing it about 4 or 5 years. I don't really consider myself a luthier. I mean, although that's kind of the definition of somebody who's building stringed instruments. But my whole point is I'm learning, and this is just another one. It's a big learning curve to do the finish work. The finish work is, there's so many products, so many fillers, so many clear coats. Do you use a sprayer? Do you use a can? Do your research, and I can't even tell you what to use because there's so many different woods and so many different finishes. Some people like satin, some people like really, really shiny, which I kind of like that. But everybody likes different things, and there's different. I will say this though, in my research, and I'm not trying to sell this, but aqua coat is one that I found to really work. It gives a nice, almost a glass shine for you to be able to then do the rest of the finish work on it. So anyway, if you're watching this video, I might title this how to come back from this mistake. I'm not really sure yet, but if you're watching this video, just be encouraged. Like, honestly, it's kind of a bummer when you make a mistake, but there's always a way back. And I would say always, there's usually a way back to get it. Maybe not where you thought you would be with it, but there's maybe another way. And I might have to take this top back off again. It was not a cheap top as far as the quilted maple. I actually like flame maple better anyway. But so anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like what you're watching, subscribe, and you can watch and see some of the other builds I'm doing. I'm probably going to build another CNC machine, maybe a little bit, not say better, but a little bit, some things I would change on it, the one I did. And anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good weekend. This is Friday. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.